then I've got one more question for you here, Zoe, as well. So this one is, what will the impact of COVID be on the property rental values? So it's an interesting one.
Right. It's a very difficult question to answer at the moment. I think it's far too soon to put your finger on it. I think there's a lot of factors to consider. For example, there has been a lot of pent-up demand because we've all been locked up for 8 weeks. And this, I think it was an economist said it a few weeks ago, actually, that it's almost like someone's got their foot on a hose pipe, and that water has been building and building and building, and someone now has suddenly taken off their foot. So there's going to be a massive demand. However, we've also got to be aware of the fact that if you like the short-term lettings industry, so if you like the Airbnb style or even the serviced accommodation, the bottom has fallen out of that because of COVID-19. And what that's effectively going to mean is that all those people that had properties that they were using for those purposes may flood the market. So you're going to have a massive supply of rental property, and the demand may drop off. So I think you've got to look at that. And also, we are all aware now that the furloughing scheme has been extended to October-ish. And businesses are going to have to make a decision, and depending on how things pan out, because again, it's an unknown, it could be that at the end of October, we have mass redundancies, which then will affect the rental market because there may be an increase in rent arrears, etc., etc. So again, I think at this stage, it's probably, I've not really answered the question, but I've probably given reasons why I can't answer that question. I think it's just a matter of waiting and seeing what happens. You know, in a couple of weeks' time, we could be in a very, very different situation than we are now. So I don't know. It's, like I say, very difficult to quantify at the moment. I don't know what you think, Dean, because you're at the front end of it. You're at the front line of lettings at the moment. So, you know, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm the exact same as you. I'd say at the minute it's too soon to tell what's going to happen. From the point of view with us putting properties on the market, there's not been as much change yet. But again, we don't know what will happen in the coming months. So we'll just have to gauge it and see what does happen and go from there.